Good morning to all students. We are going topic on measurement in physics. What is mean by physics? Physics means the branch of science in which deal natural phenomena. First, measurement. What is measurement? Measurement means the comparisons of physical quantity with standard unit. Okay. For example, length of table, length meter, 2 meter, 1 meter. So the length means physical quantity with the unit 1 meter, 2 meter, 3 meter unit. The compare the physical quantity with the standard unit is called measurement. Measurement is the basic of all scientific and experiment. First, and the second one, it is play important role in our life. And the third one, quantitative science. The measurement used in science only. Okay. This is quantitative science. First, physical definitions. The physical quantity definitions already studied in lower class. Okay. Physical quantity. What is mean by physical quantity? The quantity that can be measured in terms which law of physics is called physical quantity. Okay. For examples, length, area, mass, and etc. This is physical quantity. The quantity that can be measured in terms with law of physics is called physical quantity. The quantity that can be measured is called physical quantity. Length physical quantity, area physical quantity, mass is the physical quantity, okay, etc. What is meant by length? Length means the distance between 2 points. The distance between 2 points is called length. And the second one, area. Area means the extent of surface. The extent of surface is called area. And the third one, mass. The mass means the amount of matter contained in a body. So all body is made up of particle, we know that. This is mass. This is physical quantity. And the second one, the physical quantity are classified into two types. First one, fundamental quantity, and the second one, derived quantity. Okay. First, fundamental quantity. The quantity that cannot be expressed in physical quantity. The quantity that cannot be expressed in physical quantity is called fundamental quantity. For examples, length, mass, time, intensity, current, temperature, amount of substance. Do you know definitions? Do you know about the definitions? Length, mass, time, intensity, current, and temperature, amount of substance already told. The distance between 2 points is called length. The amount of matter contained in a body is called mass. The reciprocal of frequency is called time. Frequency, the number of vibrations, and intensity. Intensity, the radiations are emitted from the source, that should be intensity. Current, the rate of flow of charges. Temperature, the study of heat. This is temperature, one quantity. And the amount of substance is made up of particle. Okay. And second, derived quantity. The quantity that can be expressed from the fundamental quantity is called derived quantity. For example, area, volume, and etc. For accelerations, now accelerations, velocity. This is derived quantity. This is derived quantity. Okay. And next, unit. Unit the quantity that can be measured. The quantity that can be measured is called unit. The unit are classified into two types, fundamental unit and derived unit. Okay. Fundamental unit. Fundamental unit, the unit can be measured by fundamental quantity is called fundamental unit. Mass, for example, meter, kilogram, second. This is fundamental unit. And the second one, derived unit. The unit that can be expressed by derived quantity is called derived unit. For example, area. You know that area formula A is equal to L into B. Unit length means fundamental quantity. Okay. So this is fundamental quantity. The derived quantity can be explained from fundamental quantity. Okay, already we know that A is equal to length into breadth. Length unit already we know that meter, breadth unit meter, meter into meter, meter square. So this unit are derived from fundamental unit, meter. And the second one, volume. Volume B is equal to height into length into breadth. Length unit meter, height unit meter, breadth unit meter, meter cube. Meter cube means unit, derived unit. This next topic, different type of measurement system. There are three type of measurement system. FPS system, first one, second one, CGS system, third one, MKS system. It is the FPS system. It is the British engineering system. Foot found second as the three basic unit for measure the length, mass, time respectively. And the second one, CGS system. It is Gaussian system. Centimeter, gram, second as the three basic unit for measure the length, mass, time respectively. And third one, MKS system. Another name is called SI system. SI system, meter, kilogram, second as the three basic unit for measure the length, mass, time respectively. So this is different type of measurement system. The SI unit system. SI means international system. International system. The system of unit used by scientists and engineers around the world is called metric system. Another name is called metric system, SI system, and developed by 1960. The physical quantity simple abbreviations and the unit developed by 1971. What is uses of SI unit system? Maybe ask in 2 mark question. The uses of SI system. The SI system make use only one unit for one physical quantity. Only one unit for one physical quantity. For example, length physical quantity, unit meter. So only one unit for one physical quantity. And the second one, all derived unit obtained from the fundamental unit. Derived quantity obtained from the fundamental quantity, so corresponding to derived unit obtained from the fundamental unit. So and the third point, it is a metric system. Multiple and submultiple can be expressed as 10 power. Okay, this is enough. So example, Displacement. Displacement is the best example for derived quantity. Okay. What is meant by displacement? We see the update quantity. Example displacement. Displacement is the short distance between 2 points. It is a vector quantity. What is meant by vector quantity? Vector quantity, the quantity which have both magnitude and directions is called vector quantity, and the unit is meter. This is vector quantity. Distance, no direction, said to be scalar quantity. Scalar quantity means only magnitude and no directions. And second one, velocity. Velocity, the rate of change of displacement. The rate of change of displacement is called velocity. The unit, displacement unit, meter, and time. So total is second. So V is equal to meter per second is equal to meter second inverse. This is another unit, velocity of unit. It is vector quantity. So the displacement said to be vector quantity. There is also velocity vector quantity. And third one, accelerations. Accelerations means the rate of change of velocity. The rate of change of velocity is called accelerations. The velocity unit already we know that meter second inverse, time unit second, good upward, meter second inverse 2. This is unit of acceleration. It is vector quantity.